When I bought this 1976 Caprice Classic, I thought all I needed was an engine. I was frustrated when the motor gave out, but that was just the beginning. Once I started tearing the car apart, I opened up a whole can of worms. The frame was giving way, parts were worn out, and I realized this car had been cheaply pieced together for years. What started as an engine swap turned into a complete rebuild. Countless hours, setbacks, and lessons later, every bolt, every panel, and every component has been touched. Today, this isn't just a restored Caprice. It's proof that persistence can bring anything back to life. Most people would have walked away. I chose to rebuild it. This 1976 Caprice went from falling apart to fully restored. One piece at a time. The journey isn't easy, but the result will be worth every challenge.